Hey sales managers, want to crush your targets? Say hello to SalesWin. Here are 5 reasons why you need it. 1. Complete sales visibility. Have complete visibility into everything happening with your sales team. See where leads are in the pipeline, how much each sale is worth, and how each team member is performing, all in one place. 2. Unbeatable value. And guess what? It's the lowest cost CRM on the market. Yes, you heard that right. Quality doesn't have to break the bank. 3. Built for teams. SalesWin is a unique CRM built for teams. Set goals in under 5 minutes, assign leads to your team, and let them delegate tasks efficiently. 4. Retain leads and customers. Worried about changing salespeople? Say goodbye to lost leads. SalesWin ensures your company's leads and customers stay with you, not the salesperson. 5. Boost focus and sales. See your team become more focused than ever and significantly bring in more sales. SalesWin empowers your team to perform at their best. So, what are you waiting for? Upgrade to SalesWin and watch your sales skyrocket.